Good morning students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss assignment on the topic climate from class 9th. So let us see the first question is, our first question is, the sum of total weather condition and variation over a large area for a long period of time. So over a large period of time, the weather condition, the total sum of the weather condition is called as, answer is climate, is called as climate. Second question is, the climate of India is described as, so where India is located, actually India is located in monsoon type of climatical region. So our climate is also described as monsoon type of climate. Second answer is monsoon type of climate. Okay, go with the third question is, on a winter night, the temperature at Dras in Jammu and Kashmir may be as low as. So, at the Dras sector in Jammu Kashmir, in generally it is a cool temperatures, very less temperatures can be recorded in normal season, but even that too winter, that too night. So, maximum temperatures are less than 0 degrees. So, the exact answer is minus 45 degrees Celsius. So, third answer is minus 45 degrees Celsius of temperature it recorded at a Dras sector. And next fourth question is, what is climate? Climate means already we discussed the total sum of the weather report or temperature and weather condition over a long period of time, with minimum 30 years and above, 30 years and above, and over a large period, large area is called as climate. So let us see the answer is, the climate refers to the climate refers to the sum of total weather condition, sum of total weather condition and variations over a large area and variations over a large area for a long period of time. For a long period of time. Long period of time means like more than 30 years. Okay, that if you calculate the total sum of the weather condition of a large area, then that is called as climate. Let us go with the fifth question is, name the element of weather and climate. So there are some elements are there to describe whether what weather condition is there or climatic condition is there in a particular region. So what are those elements are? Let us see, the answer is temperature, wind, humidity, atmospheric pressure, precipitation, and precipitation. So these are the some elements which they describes about the weather report or climatical report of particular area. So before going to the next question, let me erase this. question is, what does monsoon implies? Monsoon means it's a reversal of season. Every year we can see the winds can blow in a particular direction. At the same time, when the season changes, the wind direction also can be changed. So reversal of wind direction is called as monsoon. So answer is, it implies a seasonal reversal in wind direction throughout the year. Okay. Next, seventh question is, what is the variation of annual precipitation of India? So, if we see that in Meghalaya more than 400 centimeters of rainfall per annum, and some parts of like western Rajasthan and Dras sector of Jammu Kashmir and all, we can see less than 10 centimeters of rainfall also can be seen. So, that is the maximum and minimum variations between the atmosphere. So, answer is 400 centimeters of rainfall and in Meghalaya and less than 10 centimeters in Ladakh and in western Rajasthan. Okay. And next question is, in which months is the seasons of rainfall experienced in India? In which months most of the rainfall we receive? Generally, it happens from the June month to September month. So, India receives bulk of its rainfall from June to September. June to September. And next question is, during which months Tamil Nadu coast gets a large portion of rainfall? During the southwest monsoon season, rainfalls are very meager and Tamil Nadu did not receive the rainfall. Only in the retreating monsoon season or northeastern monsoon season, Tamil Nadu coast will get the rainfall. So that is the time of October to November. So ninth answer is October to November. And the last question is, there is a decrease in rainfall generally from east to west in the northern plains. So, from the east to west if we go, that generally rainfall can be decreases. So, answer is northern plains. Northern plains. So, that is the key for today. Thank you and have a nice day.